Good morning, students. Class 7th, second chapter fractions, and the next topic is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. In last video, we discussed about the operations on fractions. So, connect to this the next one, multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. So, the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And a number of the form numerator upon denominator. A number of the form numerator upon denominator is fraction. So let one given fraction is 1 upon 2, numerator is 1, denominator is 2. So now what do you understand by the multiplication? Multiplication means the repeated addition. That is, for example, if we have to multiply 3 into 1 by 2. So here this 3 is a whole number and this 1 by 2 is a fraction. Means we have to multiply this fraction 1 by 2 by a whole number 3. That is, we have to add this 1 by 2 3 times, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So, the multiplication means a repeated addition. Let us suppose one more example. 5 into 1 by 4 means repeated addition of 1 by 4 5 times. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So, the basic meaning of the multiplication means repeated addition. And our topic is here multiplication of a fraction by whole number. So, now let us suppose if I have to multiply a complete number or whole number 7 into 1 by 4. What is the 1 by 4? Let us suppose this is the given square and this square is divided in 4 equal parts. Then each part will represent by 1 by 4. Okay. Now 1 by 4 if we have to multiply by the 7 means we have to add this type 7 part. That is, let us suppose each part equal to this fraction 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So, if all these parts we have to add, that is, we have to multiply 1 by 4 into 7. Now, to multiply any whole number with a given fraction, what we will do? First of all, we write that whole number in fraction form. So, how we will write a whole number in fraction form? Write 1 as denominator to the whole number and then multiply 7 by 1 with 1 by 4. So, now these are the two fractions and if we have to multiply these fractions, then how we will multiply? We will multiply numerator. So, 7 into 1, then multiply the denominator. So, 1 into 4. So, 7 into 1, 7 and 1 into 4 is 4. So, this is 7 by 4. So, this is called multiply numerator and this will be termed as multiply denominator. So, this type we can multiply a whole number with a fraction. Let us take some more example. If we have to multiply a whole number 4 with 1 by 8, then how we will multiply? First we will write this whole number 4 as a fraction, 4 upon 1. Now 4 upon 1 is the first fraction and 1 upon 8 is the second fraction. So multiplication of these fraction means multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 4 into 1 divided by 8 into 1. Sometimes when we multiply the two fractions or a fraction with a whole number, and in the multiplication in numerator and denominator the number have some common factor, then we can divide by that common factor. So here 4 upon 8, this is a fraction and they have a common factor 4. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So your answer in the simplest form or the standard form will be 1 by 2. So let us take one more example. Let us suppose if we have to multiply 9 by 2 upon 15. Then how we will multiply? First we will write this 9 into fraction form. Now you can multiply 9 into 2 and denominator 1 into 15. So numerator 9 will be multiplied with the 2 and in denominator 1 will be multiplied with the 15. So it will be equals to 18 upon 15. So again see, now in resulted fraction numerator is 18 and denominator is 15. Now if they have any common factor, then to write in standard form, first we will divide by that common factor. So the common factor is 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. So the standard form of the required fraction will be 6 upon 5. So in this way we can multiply a whole number with a given fraction. Some more application on this topic, that is multiplication of a whole number with a given fraction. If next question number 2, find the value of 8x if x is equals to 1 upon 12. What we have to find? One expression is given 8x. 8x means here see, we have given what we given 8x. 8x means 8 multiply with the x. Now what is the value of x? X is 1 upon 12. Implies that 8x is equals to 8 into 1 upon 12. That is multiplication of whole number with the given fraction 1 upon 12. Now how we will multiply this whole number with the fraction? We will write this 8 which is a whole number in fraction form. So denominator will be 1. Now you can multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. And here before multiplication, in the multiplication, if the number in numerator and denominator, if they have the common factor, then you can cancel this. So here you can do 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12. So now in numerator 2 into 1 and denominator 1 into 3. So this is 2 upon 3 is your answer. Second question, x is equals to 11 upon 12. X is equals to 11 upon 12. What we have to do? We have to find the value of 8x when x is equals to 11 upon 12. So how we will solve this? What we have? We have given 8x where 8 is a whole number and x is multiplied this. So 8 into x. Now what is the x? X is 11 upon 12. So 8 multiplied by 11 upon 12. Again we can write this whole number 8 as 8 upon 1. Now in multiplication form 4 is the common factor. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now numerator 2 into 11 and denominator 1 into 3. So it will be equals to 22 upon 3. So in this way when any algebraic expression is given, that is multiplication of any whole number with unknown value, and if unknown is now known, then by substituting the values of that unknown in given expression, that is we can find the multiplication of a whole number with a given fraction. Now next, one more application. सो होप सभी को समझ में आ रहा होगा कि किसी होल नंबर का एक फ्रैक्शंस के साथ कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. लेट अस टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 4 राइट 7 अपॉन 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय ए होल नंबर 12. Similarly, second question, 2 write 1 upon 10 multiply with a whole number 15. So these two application again see. In previous all questions, the whole number was just pre-multiply with the given fraction. In these two application, first mixed fraction is given, then it is multiply with a whole number. So when we multiply two number, if let us suppose A is multiplied with B, then it will be equals to B into A. So here A multiplied with B, that is pre-multiplication, and here B multiplied with A, that is post-multiplication, and if A into B barabar B into A, then we know that this is multiplication is commutative. So if we have to multiply a whole number with a fraction or a fraction with a whole number, both the meaning is same. Now see, what is this? This is a mixed fraction. So first of all, we will convert this mixed fraction into a fraction. So how we will convert? Multiply this whole number with the denominator of given proper fraction. So 9 4 ja 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7, that is 43 upon 9 into 12. Now this 43 upon 9 is a fraction and 12 is a whole number. So this 12 can be written as 12 upon 1. Now if there is any common factor, here see 9 and 12, we can divide by 3. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. So numerator is 43 into 4, denominator is 3 into 1. Now multiply 4 3 ja 12, 12 means 2, carry 1, 4 4 ja 16 and 1, 17 upon 3. So 172 upon 3, this is your answer. In second question, the mixed fraction is 2 write 1 upon 10. So first we will convert it into a fraction. कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? होल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे गिवन फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से. So 10 into 2 20, 20 plus 1, that is 21 upon 10, and the whole number is 15. 15 can be written as 15 upon 1. So now the given fractions are 21 upon 10 into 15 upon 1. Here the common multiple is 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Now numerator will be 21 into 3 and denominator will be 2 into 1. So 21 into 3, that is 63 upon 2 into 1, that is 2. So this one is your answer. So in this way, a mixed fraction can be multiplied with a given whole number. Question number, evaluate each expression. Each expression means we have given 15a for a is equals to 11 upon 15. The expression is 15a, where a is any unknown number and here a is given 11 upon 15. So we have to find the value of 15a for a is equals to 11. So how we will solve? What we have to find out? 15a. 15a means 15 is multiplied with a. Now what is the a? A is 11 upon 15. So we will write 15 as it is. A will be replaced by 11 upon 15. Now see, this 15 is a whole number, 11 upon 15 is a fraction. So that is, whole number should be multiplied with a fraction. How we will multiply? We will write this 15 as a fraction. So 15 upon 1. So every whole number can be expressed as a rational number, or every rational number is the form of fraction. Now see, in the multiplication, this 15 will be cancelled out by 15. 15 ones are 15. That is, they have in numerator and denominator 15, they have 15 as a common factor. So they will cancel out by 1. Okay. Now numerator 1 into 11, denominator 1 into 1. So 1 into 11 upon 1 into 1, that is 11 upon 1. So your answer is 11. Now similarly, find the value of second question. Evaluate each expression में second expression क्या दे रखा है आपको? Find the value of 1 upon 4 into y for y is equals to 36. So this is the second part of this question number 4. So how we will find out here? The 1 by 4, this is a fraction and y is any given whole number. So how we will find 1 by 4 into y? Now y is given 36. So 1 by 4 into 36. That is, fraction is multiplied with whole number 36. So every whole number can be written as fraction. So in multiplication, now 1 will be multiplied with 36 and 4 will be multiplied with 1. Or before multiplication, if in numerator and denominator, if there is a common factor, then you can simplify it. So here 4 1 ja 4 and 4 9 ja 36. So numerator will be 1 into 9 and denominator will be 1 into 1. So answer will be 9 upon 1, that is 9. So this was about the multiplication of a whole number with a fraction, or a fraction multiplication with a whole number, or for a given unknown values. If we have to given any expression, then by putting the values of unknown and we can find the value of expression. So now the next topic is multiplication of fractions. Means, in the previous topic, a fraction a upon b was given and it was multiplied with a whole number, and every whole number can be expressed as a fraction. Now in this topic, one fraction, let us suppose a upon b, and the second fraction is c upon d. So absolute multiplication of two fractions, how we will multiply? When two separate fractions are given, then multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, that is a into c upon b into d. So it will be ac upon bd, and in the form of ac upon bd, if there is any common factor, then by dividing that common factor, we can resolve this AC upon BD in its standard form or in simplest form. So before multiplication, in A and D or in C And B, if there is any common factor, then before multiplication also you can divide by that common factor, or first you can multiply and after you can divide the common factor. But it's my suggestion that before multiplication, if there is any common factor, then first divide by the common factor so that your multiplication will be little bit easier for you. Now let us see some multiplication of fractions. So the first question, multiply the following fractions. So first fraction is 2 upon 3 and multiply with this 4 upon 5. So here in the both given fraction, 2 upon 3 is also in simplest form and 4 upon 5 is also in simplest form, and in 2 and 5 and 4 and 3 there is no common factor. So directly multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 2 into 4 whole upon 3 into 5. So 4 2 ja 8 and 3 5 ja 15. Again see 8 upon 15 is also in standard form. Question number second, multiply 6 upon 7 into 2 upon 3. Here see, in the both the fractions, 6 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. Here, in this 6 and 3, 3 is the common factor. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Now 2 will be multiplied with this 2 in numerator and this 7 will be multiplied with the denominator of this. So 2 into 2 whole upon 7 into 1. So 4 upon 7 is your answer. Let us take one more example. Multiply, question number third, 4 write 1 upon 5 multiply with 5 upon 6. In these two fractions multiplication, one fraction is mixed fraction. So first this mixed fraction will be converted in proper fraction. So multiply this whole number 4 by 5 or 5 to the 4. So 5 4 ja 20 plus 1, 21 upon 5 into 5 upon 6. Now these are the two absolute fractions, 21 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. So if we have to multiply, before multiplication, if there is any common factor, here 5 is the common factor in these two, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Here in 21 and 6, 3 is the common factor. So 3 2 ja 6 and 3 7 ja 21. Now see, what is the remaining? Here 7, here 1, here 1 and 2. So numerator 7 into 1, denominator 1 into 2. So that is 7 upon 2. So this type we can multiply the two fractions. But the most important thing is that before multiplication, if there is any common factor in numerator and denominator, then first divide by that common factor and reduce in the simplest form. So it will be much easier for you people to multiply easily. Now let us see some more examples. Simplify the following. Question number second, if the given is to write 5 upon 6 into 18 upon 85 into 3 write 8 upon 9. So this is little bit long expression. So first this mixed fraction will be converted into proper. So 6 2 ja 12, 12 and 5, 17 upon 6 into 18 upon 85 into, here this is also mixed fraction. So multiply 3 to the 9 or 9 to 3. So 9 3 ja 27, 27 plus 8 that is 35 upon 9. Now see in numerator 17, 18, 35, denominator 6, 85 and 9. So now you have to observe that in numerator and denominator, if there is any common factor, then first divide by that common factor. So here see 17 1 ja 17, 17 5 ja 85. Here 3 2 ja 6 and 3 6 ja 18. Again see here 5 7 ja 35, 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35. Again see These 6 and 9 have common factor 3. So 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9. Now this 2 will be 2 1 ja 2 and here 2 1 ja 2. So in numerator 1 1 and 7. So 1 into 1 into 7. In denominator 1 1 and 3. So 1 into 1 into 3. So the answer is 7 upon 3. So this was about the multiplication of a fraction with a whole number, or a multiplication of a mixed fraction with a whole number, or multiplication of two fractions, or multiplication of two or more than two fractions when some fractions are in the mixed form. So hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe to it. In next video, we will bring some more logical question. Thank you, all of you.